Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking shadow ops in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw her eyes first. So we're just going to draw two very basic curves first. So just kind of curve it up and down a little bit. And then we're going to draw in the bottom. So just kind of come around and just go back to the corner of the eye, and the same thing will come out. Just kind of curve it and go up. And then from here we can add in, just on the end there, just add a little bit of like eyelashes. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw in the eyeball. So just kind of draw two curves. And then I'm going to draw in a circle, and that's the highlight. So I'm going to try to color around it or shade around it, so we get some nice highlight on the eye. Alright, so that's the eye, and then from there we can draw in the eyebrow. So just a little bit up here, just kind of come across, just kind of slant it down slightly. Okay, so we're going to come up, and then we'll slant it down slightly. Okay, so that's the eye, and let's come down to her nose. So like right in the middle here, we'll just draw a little curve. We'll just keep it simple. And then for her lip, we're gonna come down slightly a little bit more. Come across. Bottom lip. And then on the top here, we're gonna add just a little bit of two little peaks for upper lip. And that's pretty much the face. So let's draw in the hairline on the top. So this one's easy. We're just gonna go across. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the face. So on the side here, you can draw in almost like a bracket. Okay, just come down a little bit, and then from here, once you pass the nose a little bit, just kind of turn it in a little bit faster. And get her chin. Let's come down and just kind of close it off. That's a little bit sharp. Okay, and then from here, let's move on up. So this part here, this is just gonna be the bang. So we're just gonna come up, and this is just gonna be almost like a half circle. Okay, I know it looks a little bit weird right now. And then we'll draw in some lines for the hair, for the bangs. Just curve it in around that area like that. Alright, and then from here now, let's draw in the rest of the hair. So this one's a little bit easy. In the middle, we just draw a little line, and then we just pretty much just kind of go around it. So it's pretty round. I'm gonna come down, and then just kind of curve it out slightly right there. And then we're just gonna connect this. So we're gonna follow the same curve, just come down, and just give it a nice little hook. Okay, so same thing on the other side. It's a little bit wobbly. Okay, and then here, continue this line, come down and just hook it out. And we can add in just a couple of lines just to show that it's hair. Okay, even up here. Alright, so let's move on to the body, and let's see her neck. So we're just gonna come down slightly and draw an angle, and then we're gonna come out just a little bit for now, and then we're gonna draw one big curve around it, and it's gonna touch this corner right there. Okay, and then from here we just draw another line. So these are just some details on the collar. Alright, so now let's go out. This is gonna be all the way to her shoulder. And then we're gonna come pretty straight down. And then we're gonna pinch it down all the way to her waist. Give it a slight curve, just pinch it in. And close it off. And then the belt's gonna be right here, so I'll just extend it one section. She's only got one belt here. Here's the buckle, some detail, and then the two loops. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the strap. So we're gonna come out here, come out, and just kind of push it out a little bit. So we're gonna come down and just curve it out. And then now we can draw the chest area. So we're gonna come around this, just kind of curve it in. Curve in. So now let's add in some detail on the clothes since it's so simple. So from here, just draw a line. Okay, and then from here, I draw another line going down. Just curve it down. So I'm starting here, so I'm just gonna curve it all the way down to the belt. Okay, so now let's draw in the arms. So shoulder coming out, armpit area, come out, arm come out, and just kind of go across because I'm gonna have her hands on the side. So I'm gonna come down here and draw a fist first. So just draw like a little shape like this, and then here's the glove, a little bit of detail. And now all of you just connect this. So from here, just kind of curve it. And then here, just one big curve. All right, so let's draw the other side, and it's gonna be the same. So here's the armpit, shoulder, and go out, and you can use this side as a reference. And we're gonna come down, again, line. And then now we're gonna draw the other hand. So same thing, just a little bit of shape here. And then the glove, details. Okay, and then now curve, curve. And then one big curve coming down this way. And let's add in, well, she's got some details on the glove here. And here's the panel. And she's gonna have a little bit of a strap here. Okay, and then she's gonna have some details on the clothes. And then for here on the shoulder, come across, and then there's gonna be two lines coming down here. It's a little bit tricky. Alright, so now let's move down to her legs. So in the middle, we're just gonna come down, draw a little line. And then we're gonna curve this leg line here, just continue it, curve down. Then we're gonna close this. I'm gonna draw a square. It's gonna be the knee. And we'll draw a rectangle in here. And then once you have this rectangle, just go from corner to corner, just draw a line. Alright, so let's draw the other leg. So it's gonna be kind of the same, but no shoulder, no knee pads. So we're gonna come down, just curve, kind of adjust the distance, curve, and then she doesn't have a knee pad, so her knee, we're just gonna give two little brackets like this. So from here, we're gonna draw, let's continue on this leg. So we're just gonna flare this out, and just kind of close it. This is gonna be a pant. And then now for a boot, we're gonna just kind of come in, close this off, dome shape, going out more on this side, close it, then a little bit of sole, and some details. Okay, and then on the other side, it's gonna be, it's got armor here, so we're gonna go straight out. Then we're gonna curve in, just like that. Then we're gonna close it. Again, dome shape, going out more this side. Close, sole, and then some details. All right, and let's see. Just gonna have two straps here, smaller ones. And then now we're just gonna continue this line for the armor. And then on this side, it's just gonna have some laces, and I'm just gonna draw some lines across. All right, and let's see, she's got some details here. We're gonna continue this curve, come down, and then go out. So we're gonna come down and just go out. And then 2 straps here, so this one's easy. Go 1 and 2. And that is it for the Shadow Op skin in Fortnite. Definitely very cool looking. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.